Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find out what Microsoft Office package you are currently using or have installed on your PC, okay, or what you are currently using at the moment. A lot of people have come across where they've been requested what Microsoft package are you using, or what Word package or Excel package or PowerPoint package are you using to create your whatever it could be, whether it's your business proposal, your presentation, etc. Because remember, each Microsoft package that you've used from previous years as well, they are slightly different in certain cases. It has advanced over the years, so depending on what package you used at that time to make your presentation or your document, in some cases you would have had extra features or different features, and that might appear on your document. Someone might ask you, what Microsoft did you use? And you are unsure. So what you can do is, if you want to figure out what package you have installed, you'll go to File. If you look at my cursor at the moment, it's on the left hand side of my screen. Under File, you'll click on File. It will bring up a tab on your left hand side, and you will go down the tab to where it states Account. You can click on the account, and your account information will then appear on your right hand side. So it will give you the subscription or the product that you have, and it will give you all the details. Okay, if you have a look here, it says About Word. It will give you all the information on what version you are using and everything about what you have installed on your PC. Okay, this will work on every product, so whether it would be Excel or PowerPoint, Outlook, whatever product you're using within the Microsoft subscription that you have, this is where you can find the current version that you are using. Okay, so in this case we have got the Microsoft 365, the Microsoft Office 365, which includes your Word, your Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, a netbook, I think that's the publisher, and your Access. Okay, so they're all on here. That's actually OneNote. So they're all on here, and that is how you can find the information for everyone that you are actually looking at. With regards to any further information, what I'd also like to just explain to you is, if you are wanting to change any features on your Word document itself, you don't necessarily have to look for the information on your toolbar. If you have a look where I'm just rolling my cursor over, in some cases you can also go into File, and if you go down, you'll notice you've got options at the bottom of the screen. If you click on the options button, it will then give you a more detailed way of changing the appearance of your Microsoft Word document. So you'll have your display where you can change the different views, characters, colors, etc., proofing, whether it's your grammar, your wording, your spelling, your what type of line spacing, etc. that you're using. Then you've got your save option where you'd like it saved, and the normal area that you'd like your document saved. So it's actually default settings that you can place here, and it will be obviously the language. In some countries you might be using a different language, so you have the option here of changing your language, ease of access as well. And then it's also got an advanced options that you have available, and this is more on the way that you prefer to utilize your system, and what the default can be specifically for your PC and what you are going to be doing on your PC. Okay, so guys, I do hope that this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we do try and upload videos on a regular basis with hints and tips on how to utilize Microsoft Office products better. I know it's sometimes very stressful when you don't know how to utilize the program exactly, and in some cases a Google search might not be that helpful. So please subscribe. We will be uploading further videos shortly. If you have any things that might interest you that we have not made a video on yet, then you're more than welcome to place a comment below, and we will have a video uploaded that will obviously assist you in the near future. Thanks guys. Bye bye.